Good morning, my dear 6th standard students. Welcome to Vidyasri Education Trust video classes. Today I would like to discuss with you poem Trees. And already I have sent to you the model reading, and also with you have read the poem very well in the reading test, and today I explain the poem line by line, and you carefully observe the lines which given in the textbook. Okay, now I start the poem Trees explanation. The present poem is written by Shirley Baer, and the poetess discussed in this poem about the nature, especially nature means in our mind one concept should come, that is trees and plants and another creatures. And in this poem especially the poetess discussed too much of importance to the trees and how the human being use the trees in the different manner and different kinds, and children, father, mother, and so many people like given in this poem, and also what's the kinds of the uses, this one discussed here, and also discussed the importance of the trees. Without trees no one not live on this earth, because trees only give the oxygen to everyone, hence only we breathe and live on this earth with all the creatures. Now I will give the trees poem explanation. In the first line, trees are for birds, and trees also useful to the birds, because trees depend on the nest to shelter, and almost all the birds are built the nest on the tree branches and eat the tree fruits and take the shelter on the trees. And the next one, trees are for children, and when you want to play you go at the under the trees and you are playing different kind of the games. And therefore the poetess said here, trees are for children, trees also for the children, and trees are to make tree houses in. I have sent one images in the model reading. In the foreign countries and also in our country, in forest, the people, tribe people, make the houses on the tree branches and used to dwell there. And here also discussed the tree houses in on the branch, small tree houses, those also used for the living, and in our country used in the deep forest, the tribe people. And next line very interesting to you and everyone, trees are to swings on. It means trees are very helpful to tie the swing to swings on. Swing means you know very well in the Panchami time, Jokali, and it's a very happy and interesting play to everyone, and even the children or the elder also. And next one, trees are for the wind to blow through. THROUGH, some students spelled wrongly. This one is blow through. Trees are helpful to move the air through, means from the trees, and trees leaves, the clumps of the trees helpful to pass the air to another places. And in next line it is also related with the children and kids, very interesting play, hide and seek. Trees are to hide behind, behind means hinde. This one is said here, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Hide and seek means Kanda Muchale Ata, Kala Police Ata. We are saying in the different manner in our native languages. And hide and seek, especially in the school ground and wherever in the park garden you are playing the hide and seek. Hide and seek means hide behind the tree, and we are playing very easily too without any tools, and you hide behind the trees and one kid search to you, like that the very interesting game. And next here when we go to picnic or any birthday parties, especially in the night with the light, trees are to have tea parties under the trees. A very easy example to you, when we go to field or farm and then we eat under the trees in the farm. In our farm, especially you remember the time of the that time is very interesting to village childrens and also urban also. In Elamavase, that time when we go to the farm and we are take place the dinner under the trees, very interesting time. And also here discussed tea parties. Tea parties means whatever you under the tree you can eat, drink, whatever you can do it, that is called here tree parties. Under tree also useful like that the manner. Trees are for kites to get caught in. What a beautiful and also very irritating matter to the children. When you are flying the kites very high and on that time your kites went and got in the tree branches, and trees if caught your kites, very sad, but trees are also caught your kites and catch your kites inside. And this one also some complaint about the trees. If you said about the trees, only one complaint, other almost all trees are useful to you. When children complain about the trees, when your kites caught by the tree. Okay, next line. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. When the very hot season of the summer, that time we take the relax under the trees shadow only. That give the shade, means cool shade, very cool shade, especially margos and mangoes, and margos tree means neem trees, Bevina mara. Under the like that the trees, very clumps of the trees leaves give the very cool shade. Therefore, everyone remember the cool shade in the summer and take the shelter under the trees. And trees are to make no shade in winter, in especially in the North Pole continental countries. There trees falls all the leaves and become nothing on the trees. It means bare branches, nothing, single leaves also not, single leaf also not on the trees. Everyone fell down in the season of the winter by the snow. Okay, next one. Trees are for apples. Okay, this one is for yours to eat, eating purpose. Trees, apples to grow on, and pears. And pears are like that the perla. Okay, guava also like that fruit, and it is also apple. And trees are grow the apples and different kind of the fruits, but here only given two fruits, and all the fruits only grows in the trees, not in any concrete building, only grow by the trees. And next, trees are to chop. Chop means cut. Chop, it is not chop. Chop, C-H-O-P, chop down. Chop down means cut down. And call timber, very sad, but some useful things also. Timber, here is timberer. Some students are read like that, timber RR, not timber RR. It is poem rhythm sound, he is poetic rhythm, timberer. Timberer means here timber, like that. The saw means electrical mission to cut the trees. Garagasa, we are calling to that one, that is made the sound like that, timber, electric saw. And here the poetess given the some example of the sound timberer. And last lines are important to understand, very important to us. In the different manner of the concept and attitude of the human being given here. Trees make mother say. When mother look at the trees, green trees, beautiful trees, flower, fruits and everything, and that time mother said, what a lovely picture to paint. In the mother concept, picture to paint, draw the trees with variety of the color. And she said lovely means beautiful, here picture to paint. And next line, trees make father say. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Rake means fertilizer. Too much of leaves means it's use the organic fertilizer. It's composed the leaves and make the rake. Rake means that is ash also called, but that one is the dry leaves are called here rake, means gobara. And father's mind concept to field, that one that rake used for the fertile the land. Like that poetess Shirley discussed too much of the object of the poem, but here this tree poem very nearest related with the nature, and when only we respect the nature, then only we are living in the nature happily. Thank you.